makita ninyo kung papaano ang lessons ng Dimulay ay itinuturo sa isang kabataan. Anyayahan niyo pa yung mga kaibigan ninyo. Yayain ninyo maging Dimulay because I will tell you, magpapasalamat sila sa buhay nila at sila'y naging Dimulay. Because that is my own testimony of my life. No? Ano man ang inabot ko ngayon, I owe it to the foundation that Dimulay built upon me. Ang pinakadelikadong stage ng buhay ng tao, yung formative stage ng adolescent life, yung edad na ngayon ay 12 to 21, hanggang 21 years old, yan ang delikadong panahon ng isang kabataan. Nandiyan nagpo-form sa isip, sa puso, sa damdamin ng bawat isa, kung ano magiging karakter mo sa iyong kinabukasan. Uulitin ko, hindi ako mananawang sabihin, Dimulay is the best organization for young men.
Ang 40 years ay ang Marcelo. And I'm thinking, why not? Di ba? Why not Gregorio? Gregorio, Generals, congratulations, 25 years sila ngayon. Imagine that, 25 years. Ang Marcelo, 40 years. And we have a baby chapter which we showcase today, ang Ibasco. Thank you, MC. Okay? So, why not? Because when Most Worshipful Boy established Marcelo, his vision does not stay in Malolos. Hindi lang yung Marcelo. Buong Bulacan. He wants the young boys of Bulacan to be better citizens, to be able leaders, and to be good sons. So remember that. That's why the whole of Bulacan is celebrating 40 years of Dimulay movement.
Maligayang bati at mabuhay sa 40 taong Dimulay sa probinsya ng Bulacan. Mabuhay ang Order of Dimulay at sa lahat ng ating papangarapin at gagawin, ito ay para sa Diyos, para sa bayan, at para sa Dimulay. So today we gather to celebrate 40 years of Dimulay in the province of Bulacan, as well as the remarkable achievements of our brothers who have earned the prestigious Dimulay Chevalier, Legion of Honor, and Cross of Honor awards as well. These honors are not merely titles, but rather they are a testament to the dedication, character, and unwavering commitment these young men, or these men, have demonstrated throughout their journey in Dimulay.